Welcome, love. Wherever you are in the world right now, find a place to rest. A place where you can allow yourself to simply be. This is your invitation to step fully into the present moment, to release the need to fix, to rush, to remember or plan. The mind loves to wander toward what was or what might be, but the heart lives here, in the now, in this single breath, in this pulse of life moving through you. The present moment is not empty. It is vast, alive, intelligent. It is where your alignment, your power, and your peace reside. There is no past to heal, no future to reach for. There is only this sacred moment. And the deeper you sink into it, the more you remember that you are already whole. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a long exhale out through your mouth. Let's begin. Begin by noticing your breath. No need to change it just yet. Simply witness it. The gentle rise and fall of your chest. The air entering and leaving your body. This is the simplest miracle, breath. Now start to deepen your inhale. Inhale slowly through your nose for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale softly through your mouth for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue this rhythm. With each inhale, imagine breathing in pure presence. With each exhale, release the past. Release the future. Feel your body soften. Feel gravity holding you. Notice where your body connects with the surface beneath you. Let it hold you fully. Bring your awareness to your feet. Imagine golden roots extending from your soles down through the layers of soil and stone, deep into the molten core of the earth. With every exhale, those roots go stronger, anchoring you into this moment, into this planet, into the now. Breathe here and let yourself arrive. Now that you're grounded, let your awareness rise gently from your feet to your heart. Feel your heartbeat, steady, ancient, connected to the rhythm of all life. From this still point, begin to sense the subtle energy around you, the hum of the room, the space between sounds, the silence that holds it all. This silence is the gateway to the now. You don't have to seek it, you don't have to earn it, you only have to notice it. The mind might drift. That's okay. Simply return to your breath. Return to the feeling of life happening within you. Let's go deeper. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast, shimmering lake. The surface is still, a perfect mirror reflecting the sky above. This lake represents the present moment. When you stop stirring it with thought, the surface becomes clear. You can see your reflection. You can see the truth. Now step closer. Kneel by the edge. Feel the cool mist on your skin, the softness of the earth beneath you. Dip your hands into the water. Let it wash over you, cleansing you of every story that isn't now, every should, every someday, every what if. Let them dissolve into the lake. Let stillness return. You are here. You are now. And now is more than enough. Stay here for a while. Let this silence fill you. Let it speak to you. Let it remind you of who you are beyond the noise, beyond the doing, beyond the roles. You are consciousness itself. You are awareness having a human experience. Now that you are here, begin to sense what arises in the now. Notice how alive everything feels when you stop searching. The air moves differently. Your body tingles. The moment breathes with you. Allow yourself to expand into this timeless field. Feel yourself merge with the hum of existence, the sound beneath all sound. In this space, all answers exist, all guidance, all clarity, all peace. If a question arises, don't chase an answer. Simply place it in the silence and trust that the answer will emerge when it's time. Let the now reveal itself to you. Perhaps you sense colors, images, warmth, or perhaps you feel nothing but stillness, and even that stillness is sacred. Breathe. Rest here. You are exactly where you are meant to be. Let the silence surround you. When you're ready, begin to draw your awareness back to your body. Feel your breath again. Feel your chest rise and fall. Feel your feet, your hands, your heart. You have not left the now. You've simply remembered it. This moment is always available to you, no matter where you are, no matter what you face. Carry it with you. Let presence become your home. Let each sip of water, each step, each smile be a doorway back into the now. As we close, bring one hand to your heart, one to your belly. Take a deep breath in. Feel gratitude for this moment, for your life, for your awareness, for the simple miracle of being here now. Exhale completely, releasing anything that no longer needs to come with you, and whisper softly to yourself, I am here. I am now. I am enough. Let those words echo through your being. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back, sweet one. You are here, and here is everything.